Welcome! Let's learn how to make a simple and safe birdhouse for your garden friends. Materials needed: untreated wood like cedar or pine, nails or screws, wood glue. Design your birdhouse. Keep a simple structure with a sloped roof, front, back, two sides, and a base to protect birds from rain. Cut wood pieces. Cut wood about 6 inches wide, 6 inches deep, and 8 to 10 inches tall. Drill a 1.5-inch diameter entrance hole suitable for small birds. Step 4. Assemble the birdhouse. Attach sides to the back, add the base with drainage holes, then secure the front and roof tightly. Sand rough edges carefully. Optionally, apply non-toxic paint or wood stain to protect the birdhouse without harming birds. Choose location. Hang your birdhouse in a sheltered spot facing away from strong winds and near food sources for your feathered friends. Maintenance tips: clean the birdhouse after nesting season. Check regularly for any damages. Summary: building a birdhouse is easy and rewarding. Follow these steps to create a safe home and enjoy watching birds thrive in your garden. Thanks for watching. Start building your birdhouse today and help support local wildlife.